Welcome to Belesar. This is a school where we work. Belesar Public School is in Bayona, a coastal town in Galicia, Spain.
We have the same seasons as you, but our winters are not cold, no snow, and in summer we have 25 to 35 degrees, so we enjoy the beach a lot.
In Galician we have an official language called Galego. It's very sweet and similar to Spanish and Portuguese. We speak Spanish and Galician.
Our school has children from age 3 to 12 years. We have 105 students and 14 teachers.
We focus on learning languages, mathematics, music, physical education, arts and craft and science. Arts and craft and physical education are taught in English.
This year we have a language assistant from New York named Dina. We are now preparing the Samaín Festival, which is a Galician holiday celebration the arrival of autumn. Halloween has its origins in Samaín.
Pasa Lucia, our PE and art teacher, will be there with you this month, learning from all of you. We hope you enjoy and learn a lot.